As you can see here, I have created this application in Vercel, and that is using V0 application of Vercel only, and I did it using AI only. Everything is AI. How I did it, I'll show you. I create a new app. You can let me show you how I did it. I simply got the I mentioned it everything. I want to build. This is ChatGPT, and I just mentioned I want to build my first AI agent on V2 app, which is Vercel's app only, and host it on Vercel. Can I get help with you with this? So ChatGPT gave me everything and prompts. So I just asked a prompt and it gave me this prompt. So what I did, I'll just create a new app in front of you. Let me write create another app for school students or for school bus drivers. So the main problem which people face, they nowadays they are able to create application using AI, but they are not able to edit it. I will show you how to edit it. So in ChatGPT, I have simply mentioned that I want to create an application on V20, which is part of Vercel. So give me a prompt for bus drivers. So it will give me a prompt for the application. So this is the prompt which it has given me. So now I will go to v0.app. So this is my V0 account, v0.app, which is a part of Vercel only. You can just log in here, and every month you will get 5 credit for free. So I have more credit because as you can see 34 credit I have, because I have a paid subscription of this. You can see my credit are 34.74. So I have paid subscription, but you will also get 5 credit for free every month. So you can try it out. So herein you need to just paste that prompt which I have created on ChatGPT. Just copy this prompt and paste it here in v0.app, and it will create an app for you. So I pasted it and simply send it. So it will create an app for you. I will also show you how to edit, because so many people are able to create app but they are not able to edit it. I will show you how to edit it and from where you will get an option to edit it, because earlier I was also not getting an option to edit on Vercel, but I did some research and I did created so many apps, and then I got this option. So it will take a few minutes or seconds. It is very quick. So it is, you can see it is updating everything for me. It is creating the UI and everything related to app for me. So the app name is School Bus Tracker. So here you can see it has created a beautiful application for me, for parents, for drivers. You can see click is available. If for parents phone number is, you can see parents ID, phone number is the sign in for parents is also given. So it has created a beautiful application for me. So you can do, or you can simply publish here from, just publish it, and if you want to customize it, you can customize it according to your need. Then you can click on publish option. So it has created for me. Let me open the app now. So this is the link of the app. You can change the link of the app as well. You can buy your own domain as well. At the end you can see vercel.app is showing, and before that this is showing. So this is the app. You can share it with your parents, teacher, and the biggest question is how to edit it. So I will show you everything how to edit it. You can customize domain. Let me again customize domain from here. Try to customize. So this is the big link. So I will make it shorter. I will simply make it school bus. Let me save it and see whether this link is available or not. Schoolbus.vercel. So I'll let me shorten the link. Sometime it's available, sometime it is not available. But there's an option to purchase your own domain as well from here. So the domain is assigned successfully. So this is the link of my domain. Even this link is shorter than before. This is the link. And now how to edit it? If I want to do any editing, how to do it? It is a biggest thing which not people are not able to do it. So there's an option of here. You can see code option is showing here. You can just press on this code option, and herein everything is showing. You can do all the changes from here in code option. Okay, this is database, so you can connect to the database in Vercel if you want. Everything is there. So project, you can see code option is showing here, preview is showing here. So you just click on code, and here in this folder are showing inside code, app, Vercel. These are the apps you can. So if you want to do any further changes, you need to do some coding related stuff, and you can still use AI. For example, let me change it the color from black to white. So let me take a screenshot and simply paste it here. So I just simply pasted it. I want on ChatGPT, I want to change black the black color to white color. Let's see what it gives. It will change the, so it has given me the steps. Open the code, go to the app page. So let me go to the now. So this is the code which I have already opened. Now I need to go to this app, and then where I need to, all steps are given. I need to go app, then need to go to layout.tsf layout, and what I need to change here inside layout, what I need to look for something like JavaScript like this. I need to look like this, find dark class. So I need to find dark class background, something like this or this. I need to search it, just copy this and search it here. So you can see I search class name, so it is showing background color like this. So what I need to do, I need to change it to white. Let me change this background with white, WHITE. That's it. I need to click on publish. So I hope friends, now you will be able to do all these changes in Vercel using these steps, because you need to do some troubleshooting as well on your own. So in case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button, and if you have any query, you can just mention it in the comment section. I'll make sure to give you reply, and just subscribe my channels to stay connected. Bye bye friends, take care.